Okay, we are going to focus on quadrilaterals for right now. So your sub should have given you some more pages that we're going to work on today. If not, then please pause this video and go get them because you will be turning these in and these will be going on your grade. Okay, our first thing we're going to do is just talk about quadrilaterals and their quote-unquote family tree. Okay, so a quadrilateral, like we had already discussed earlier, is a polygon with 4 sides. What we did not add is that it also has 4 angles. So 4 sides and 4 angles are very important. So the angles, remember, are the corners. These are our angles. So please remember that. That is very important. Okay, our next thing is, this one is a trapezoid. We talked about 2 types of trapezoids earlier. This one's only going to focus on one of them. So it's a quadrilateral with 1 pair of parallel sides. This is a parallelogram. It has 2 pairs. These sides are parallel and these sides are parallel. Okay, parallelograms, like, kind of, they don't split off, but they can be technically 2 different things. A rhombus is a parallelogram with 4 congruent sides, which means the sides are the same length. Okay, so I'm going to underline over here. I'm going to put an arrow over here and put same length, which you should do as well because that is important for you to know. Congruent means same length. Okay, a rectangle is a parallelogram with 4 right angles. This is a right angle, this is a right angle, this is a right angle, and this is a right angle. A square can actually be defined as a rhombus and a rectangle, as well as a parallelogram, because it is a parallelogram with 4 right angles and 4 congruent sides. Again, remember, you can pause these videos at any time to catch up with the notes. Okay, what it wants you to do here is this. So example 1, match each quadrilateral below with its name by writing the corresponding letter inside. So for example, okay, it wants you to find a square. So a square's definition is 4 right angles and 4 congruent sides. So it means there's 4 right angles and there's 4 sides all the same length. Okay, I'm going to look at the one underneath it. The one underneath it does not have 4 right angles, so I'm not even going to look at it any further. Okay, the one underneath trapezoid has 4 right angles and it has 4 congruent sides, so that is actually going to be a square. It's going to be labeled as E. Okay, pause this video and finish the rest by yourself, and then come back and unpause it to get the answers. If you don't unpause it, then that's just something that you have to, if you don't pause it, that's just something you have to deal with when it comes to honesty. This is a good way to see if you're understanding it. Okay, so I'm going to cross E off because I've already done it. Okay, I'm going to look at this next one. This next one is a rectangle because it has 4 right angles. The next one is a rhombus because it has 4 congruent sides. 4 sides of the same length. This one is a trapezoid because it has at least one parallel side, one pair of parallel sides. And this one is just a parallelogram. It really has no more like specific name than just a parallelogram like that. Okay, so make sure you have this page done and go on to the next page when you're ready.